Hey folks, Dustin House here, spreading that good word about affiliate marketing. Today we're going to be going through a demo live with affiliate recruitment super tool Affistash. We're going to be going through the features that affiliate managers are absolutely going to love. And joining me today is Vic over at Affistash. He's the founder, and we're going to be going through a demo. Vic, thanks for joining me, man.
Really appreciate the invite, Dustin. And
Uh,
yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm really excited to show you to you guys.
yeah, tell us about how you made this thing.
Yeah, so basically when we all know about the rise of AI in the past few months. And so in the beginning of 2023, I was like I was thinking about what can be done in the affiliates marketing and partnerships niche. So I
Okay.
started chatting with a few managers. I tried to do my best to discover the best idea and the best tool that can be built specifically for affiliate managers using the power of AI to make their life much easier.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm trying to do that with Affistash.
Fantastic. All right. Well, uh, we could start this demo. Why don't you go ahead and share your screen and show us what you've got, man?
For sure. Let me do that right now and see how it goes.
Awesome.
Awesome. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the Affistash dashboard. This is how it basically looks like. You have a few stats to give you a better idea of how you're going with recruiting affiliates using Affistash. Here you have your businesses because you can actually recruit partners, affiliates, publishers for multiple affiliate programs using Affistash. And in case anyone else from your team wants to use Affistash, they always have a live demo here with everything, every feature in particular that has a text near it, just so everyone is on the same page when using Affistash, just so that your teammates are educated when using the tool.
Mm-hmm.
Next up, if you scroll a bit below, you'll see that you have a section called Notable Affiliates. And here you have a few leads, five to be exact, from your lead list. But I will get into that just a bit later, because before that, I want to show you guys what Affistash uses to match you with partners, with publishers and affiliates using our AI algorithm. So how
Fantastic.
Affistash works is pretty easy. You don't have to do anything manually other than inputting your company data.
Hmm.
So here, our algorithm takes in a few details about your company, like your name, your niche, your website, business model, your geolocation, so you can target publishers and partners from different parts of the world, your price range, so what price range your tool or your products are selling at,
Okay.
your subscription model, so if it's one time, recurring, per usage, and freemium. And lastly, a quick description about your product, about your company, and so on, just so that it understands what your company does and what your ideal affiliates and partners, who they are actually. And for today's demo, I actually prepared a company that recently joined Affistash, which is Sofa Brain. This is an AI tool, an AI SaaS for interior designers and real
Hmm.
estate agents. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to find publishers, partners, and affiliates for a SaaS like this.
Fantastic.
So from here, as you can see, I just entered my company data. You can always talk to someone from our team to assist you with this. But if you go further to the Discover Partners using AI tab, you see here that you have basically a lead list of all of the partners that Affistash matched you with. And
Okay.
here you have plenty of options when searching for partners. You can search for affiliate partners, content creators, blog/media publishers, agencies, newsletters. So any type of partner that you can think of, you can probably find it using Affistash. And
All
we
right.
support a variety of platforms. So let's say you select blog/media publishers on SEO. So it will grab you all the
Hmm.
relevant articles, posts, reviews, and so on that are targeting your target audience. So let's explore a few of these for the Sofa Brain that I just showed you. So let's
Well,
say we go.
before we get into that, I got a real quick question here.
Sure.
That drop down menu, how are you differentiating like a blog media publisher between affiliate partner up at the top?
Yeah, so affiliate partner basically includes all of these above. So you would get
I
a mix
see.
of all of them.
Okay.
But if you want to go more targeted, so let's say you only want to work with agency partners, you select agencies.
Mm,
And I can show you right now, like if you select affiliate partners, you have here all of the platforms that you can search leads on using
okay.
Affistash. But if you search for something like content creators, as you can see, there are only these platforms right here. So yeah, just to kind of give some clarification on that. But yeah, so going forward with it, as you guys can see, we have here a top 10 AI interior design tools to decorate your home. So a good, extremely good publisher that has
Hmm.
presence in the search engine. As you can see, they monetize through paid to AdSense as well as affiliate links. So as you can see here, there are plenty of other interior designing tools. I can go to another article like this. So let's see one here. So AI for real estate agents, 6 tools to keep you up with the evolving market. And as you can see here, you have plenty of other tools that do AI stuff in real estate market. So
Hmm.
here what you see for all of these leads. So as you can see here, you see a sample post, you see a type, so a classification of the partner, a match rate, which is approximated by our AI algorithm. So the higher the match rate, the better the fit of this affiliate and partner for your company.
Hmm.
Then here you have, yeah, you have a get contacts button as well, since you obviously want to get contacts. So as you can see here, I got a bunch of contacts from this publication. Look, head of search engine optimization, and I don't only get
Ooh.
email, but I get LinkedIn as well. So let's say I want to contact to get a spot on that article, I can also contact this partner on LinkedIn too. And lastly, you guys can also see that you have a feedback column. And what this feedback column does, since Affistash is based on AI and machine learning, it obviously improves over time. So the more you use the platform, the better results you will get. So let's say this publisher is a really good fit for Sofa
Okay.
Brain. You just upvote it, and as you can see here, you even got a message that will try to match you with more leads like housing.com.
Ooh.
Then
Okay.
let's say you find a lead that you don't like. Let's say you don't like this one. You click on the down like button, and the algorithm will learn that you don't like those types of partners. You can
Oh,
export as CSV, obviously. You can also share leads with your team through email. So a bunch of things that you can do just using Affistash just through the power of AI.
super. So when you do push the like button, is it going to automatically continue to find you more things like that, or do you have to give it another prompt of some sort?
Yeah, so you have to refresh your table, and as you can see here, you have a refresh button. When you click the refresh button, you will get a pop-up, and I can show you guys. Let's say I want to refresh and I want to get content creator affiliates. Unfortunately for this account, I have no more refreshes, but what you essentially get is a pop-up that will require you some feedback about the leads. So what you liked about the leads, what you didn't like about the leads, as well as the feedback that you gave. And then after that, it usually takes about 2-3 minutes for you to get a new lead list of partners.
Hmm.
So as you can see for this, I got 112 leads based on my company data and based on the partners that I selected here.
Okay.
So published media publishers on SEO.
Excellent. Okay. So that goes for the discovering of the affiliates. What's the
Yeah.
next step that an affiliate manager would do after they find this good list of potential partners?
Yeah, so as I also showed before, so you can get contact through email and through LinkedIn and even Twitter. And we have a recruitment campaign tab right here in Affistash, so you can connect your mailbox
Ooh,
and
very
shoot
nice.
recruitment campaigns directly from Affistash, and we track it. So we track how many emails you sent, how many emails failed to reach the target, and so on. And not only that, but you also have an AI-powered email templates library that basically composes emails for you. So you already inputted your company data, it already knows the details about the publisher or the partner, so it can compose you an email that you can use for your outreach in a few seconds. So I can just show you this right
All
now.
right.
So let's say you want to get a blogged writer publisher. Let's say you want to compose an email in a casual style under 100 words. I click on generate message,
Ooh.
and it will generate you a message based on your company data that you entered in step 1. So yeah, as you see here, I already have the email. It took a few seconds. I can copy it, get directly into my recruitment page, and start shooting recruitment emails for the partners that I discovered using the discovery tool.
Love that you're actually using AI to develop the message as well. That is pretty unique. Most things in this industry are pretty manual, where you have to put in that message. But I like a
Of
different
course,
perspective that you've got going on. Of course, you will want to cater this message to be a little bit of
for
a
sure.
human taste to it, right?
For sure. I always recommend to people that use Affistash that you want to give your own personalization
Hmm.
for the specific partner. It obviously results in way better open rates, way better conversion rates when establishing partnerships with publishers, content creators, even agencies, and so on.
Okay.
But Affistash is really here to kind of help you get that first email template, just so you move way faster with your recruitment campaigns.
Gotcha. Okay. And what's next? So you can email them through this platform. Can you also get responses from this platform and have the conversation within it? Or is this like it's gone
So
to email now?
So it's going to your email. You connect your email really easily through this section right here. If you find any trouble with it, you always have assistance from our team. So we really want to offer the best experience to our customers. As you saw through my demo, we have lots of these buttons called Need Help, Talk to an Expert for specific steps. So you just connect your mailbox, and from there, all the conversations that you have with leads from Affistash, you'll find them directly into your email mailbox.
Okay. Awesome. What else? Anything else that you want to show us?
Yeah, so lastly, I'd say that you also have your partner search engine manually. So for any affiliate managers out there familiar with tools like Grovia or any other similar tools like that, where you actually put in your own queries, your own keywords, whether they're short form or long form. You also have this in Affistash with all of the AI assisting tools
Hmm.
that Affistash comes with. And it not only supports SEO search like Grovia does, but it also supports search on other platforms like social media platforms, platforms like LinkedIn, like Telegram, if you want to find communities and so on. So as you can see here for Sofa Brain, I already did a few searches, and I got a few leads using the manual search engine as well. So for example, this lead right here on how to use AI in interior design. So similar results that you get with tools like Rovia, but you can also search on social media platforms, on B2B platforms, and so on. So this one is really helpful if you want to get even more leads than you find with the automated search engine, which is the one that I showed before.
Excellent. Okay. These are all really cool features, and I'm glad you can do the manual keyword search as well for this for what you're looking for. Anything else to show us from the affiliate manager perspective? I really enjoy a lot of these tools and the ease that you're
For sure.
making it. But
Yeah, so that's mostly what Affistash offers right now. In terms of what we're preparing in the future, in terms of feature, we're really looking to at building something that will help managers in the onboarding aspect as well.
okay,
Because obviously, if you have a well enough trained AI that can really help with onboarding new partners, handling conversations for onboarding. So that's certainly as a feature that we're planning in the near future. But for now, what Affistash tries to do is certainly automate the most that we can do in the recruitment process of discovering new partner leads and basically outreaching them as fast as possible and closing new partnerships as fast as possible.
Fantastic. Well, this is really cool, and the UI is very clean, which I appreciate from
Appreciate
a
it.
user standpoint. It seems easy to use, and the dashboard is um, relatively easy to like navigate. So let's close this out with like pricing. What's this cost companies to use your tool? Is this a monthly recurring thing, or is this a one time fee?
Yeah, so it's a monthly recurring thing. So you get 450 leads every month.
Great,
At the price of 37 per month. If you go with our annual plan, if you go with our monthly plan, you get it at 47 per month, which if
sweet.
you calculate the price per lead, it's actually pretty cheap, thinking about the fact that this is all automated. And then this is especially targeted for individual managers. So if you want to use Affistash as a individual manager, but if you have a team or if you work at a company and you have, let's say, a team of affiliate managers that are responsible for onboarding new partners, onboarding new affiliates.
Hmm.
Our plan, which is the enterprise plan, gives you more than 1,000 leads per month, and it gives you access to 6 slots in the dashboard.
Awesome.
So you can work together with other people, with other managers within the company, and this is at 257. And if you go with the annual plan, it's 128 per month. So a pretty big discount actually for the enterprise plan if you decide to go with the annual plan.
For sure, and that's extremely affordable in this industry.
For sure.
You know, $50 for 450 new leads. I'll do that all day. Even just to try your tool out, that seems like an incredible value. That's great,
Definitely.
man. Thank you for all of this. This has been awesome. If you would like to go check out Affistash, use the link down below in the description. Go to dustinhouse.com/Affistash. That's AFFISTASH. Affistash.
Yep.
Vic, appreciate your time today. Thanks for being here and giving us this demo, man.
Thanks a lot again for the invite. Um, I hope you guys found Affistash useful and hope to see as many people try it out.
Awesome. Take care, man.